Picture this: a world where your dog's feeder knows exactly when it's mealtime, a smart toy entertains your cat while you're at work, and an app sends you instant updates about your pet's health. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. It's the direction the pet care industry is already heading. And today, we're going to break down a startup idea that brings all of this together: the smart pet care subscription. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I post new startup ideas every week that could inspire your next big business. Pet ownership has exploded in recent years, especially among millennials and Gen Z. These generations don't just own pets, they see them as family. And when you treat a pet like family, you're willing to spend more to make sure they're happy, healthy, and cared for. In fact, the global pet care industry is already valued at over $250 billion and is projected to surpass $350 billion within the next 5 years. But here's the challenge: most pet owners live busy, fast-paced lives. They don't always have the time or tools to monitor their pets' needs. That creates a gap in the market and a massive opportunity. The solution is a smart pet care subscription. This combines IoT-enabled smart devices like feeders, toys, and collars with a monthly subscription that provides ongoing value. Think of it as the perfect mix between Peloton and HelloFresh, but designed for pets. Here's how it works. Customers purchase a smart device. For example, a feeder that dispenses perfectly portioned meals, or a collar that tracks health metrics such as heart rate, steps, and sleep. The device is either sold at full price or at a discounted rate when bundled with a subscription. From there, customers pay a monthly fee, typically between $15 and $50, for premium features inside the companion app. These include AI-driven meal planning, automatic food deliveries, real-time health alerts, playtime reminders, and even access to tele-veterinary services. This model creates two revenue streams. First, you generate income from the initial sale of the smart device. Second, and more importantly, you lock in predictable recurring subscription revenue. Companies like Apple, Peloton, and Ring have proven just how powerful this model is. Once a customer has your device in their home and tied into their routine, they're far less likely to cancel the subscription. Over time, that makes each customer more valuable to your business. Now let's break down the target audience. The first group is millennial and Gen Z pet owners. They're tech-savvy, comfortable with subscriptions, and often treat their pets like children. The second group is busy professionals who want peace of mind while they're away from home. The third group is urban pet owners, many of whom live in apartments and rely on smart tools to care for their pets while working long hours. And finally, there are high-income households who are always eager to adopt the latest tech for their furry friends. What about startup costs? Building IoT hardware from scratch can be expensive, but here's the key: you don't have to start from scratch. Many manufacturers already produce smart feeders, GPS collars, and interactive toys. By using white label products, you can customize these devices with your own branding while focusing on building the subscription app, which is where your long-term profits will come from. You could launch this startup with an investment of $50,000 to $100,000, especially if you use crowdfunding platforms to validate demand before scaling. Let's talk marketing strategy. This idea has viral potential baked in. Pet content dominates platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Imagine short clips of a dog getting excited when their smart feeder dispenses food, or a cat chasing a glowing interactive toy. These videos don't just entertain, they sell. You can also tap into micro-influencers in the pet niche. They tend to have highly engaged audiences and are far more affordable than big-name influencers. On top of that, you can build a referral program where pet owners earn discounts by bringing in friends. And of course, targeted Facebook and Instagram ads can help you reach pet owners based on location, age, and even pet breed. Now let's look at revenue potential. Suppose you sell 5,000 devices at an average price of $80. That's $400,000 in upfront revenue. If 70% of those customers subscribe at $25 per month, that's 3,500 subscribers generating $87,500 every single month, over $1 million annually in recurring revenue. And remember, this is just the starting point. Over time, you can expand your product line to include smart water fountains, automatic litter boxes, or even wellness trackers. Each new product increases customer lifetime value and strengthens your ecosystem. Done right, this business can scale into a multi-million-dollar brand. Start with one flagship product that solves a very specific problem. Make it as simple and foolproof as possible. Then, once you've earned your customers' trust, expand gradually with additional products and services. Continuously update your app with new features, personalized insights, and exclusive offers that keep customers engaged. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to launching. Identify your flagship product: a feeder, toy, or collar. Partner with a manufacturer or source a white label version to minimize costs. Build your subscription app with core features like notifications, tracking, and customization. Launch with a Kickstarter or Indiegogo campaign to validate demand and secure initial funding. Use social media to create viral pet content and partner with influencers for early traction. Scale by expanding your product catalog and offering subscription bundles. Here's one final pro tip. Don't just market yourself as a pet gadget company. Position yourself as a pet wellness ecosystem. You're not just selling devices, you're selling peace of mind, healthier pets, and happier owners. That emotional connection is what creates loyal, long-term customers. To wrap this up, the Smart Pet Care subscription isn't just a cool idea, it's a scalable business model with recurring revenue, a passionate customer base, and massive potential in a booming industry. If you're searching for a startup concept that blends technology, emotion, and profitability, this one has everything you need to succeed. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future startup ideas that could change your life.